In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users to a project in Asana. If you're managing a team or collaborating on projects, getting your colleagues or partners involved is crucial for success. Let's dive into the process, and I'll guide you every step of the way. First, you'll need to open the specific project in Asana that you wish to share with another user. This might be a project you're currently working on or a new venture you're kicking off with your team. Once you have the project open on your screen, take a look at the top right corner. Here, you'll find a blue Share button. Go ahead and click on that button. When you click on the Share button, a world of options opens up to you. Here, you have two primary choices. You can directly input the email addresses of the people you want to invite. By doing this, they will receive a direct invitation to join the project. This is a great option if you have their email addresses handy and want to ensure they get notified promptly. Alternatively, if you're communicating through another platform or want to give them flexibility on how to access the project, you can copy the project link. Once you have the link, you can send it to them through your preferred method, such as an instant message or an email. After you've extended an invitation, your collaborators will need to accept and join the project. It's important for them to create an Asana account if they don't have one already. Remind them that setting up an account is straightforward and won't take much time. Just a few simple steps before they can start collaborating. Once they've joined the project and created their account, you may need to go back to the Share button to fine-tune their permissions. Asana offers several user permission classes like Editor, Viewer, or Commenter, which allow you to control the level of access each team member or collaborator has. Editors can make changes to the project, viewers can see the information without making changes, and commenters can add input without altering any other details. Adjust these permissions according to each user's role and responsibility within the project to maintain clarity and order. And that's all there is to it. Inviting users to a project in Asana is a simple yet vital task that streamlines your collaboration process. By following these steps, you're ensuring your team's productivity and focus. Thanks for joining me today. And if you have any other questions about Asana or project management, feel free to check out the other content on our channel. Happy collaborating!